number 420.
The National Weather Service has issued severe
SVA 420. Aiden, it's SVA number 420.
What?
Everyone go off right? Alright, good.
Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio. Here is the regional weather forecast for the southern Pocono. Severe thunderstorms has been issued until 9 p.m. to the following counties in Delaware, Kent and Newcastle, and Cecil, Maryland, and the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, Mercer, Monmouth, and Salem, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia, and the following marine locations: Delaware Bay waters north of East
KX 28 is still going.
and Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. At 2 p.m. at the Philadelphia International Airport, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 91 degrees. The dew point 70 degrees.
Aiden, that was SVA number 420.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 4:45 p.m.
That thunderstorm thing
At
sounded
3:45
weird.
p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Coreyville,
Why is it so
Oregon, 10 miles
fast?
south of Willow Street, moving southeast at 25 miles per
Why
hour.
does it say thunderstorm so fast?
Hazard: ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured.
Damn.
Expect hail damage.
I'm gonna just walk
to
outside
siding,
that.
windows, and vehicles. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Oxford, West Grove, Palmville, Glen Roy, Mount Vernon, Campbellsville, Landenberg, North Star, and Avondale. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following county: Chester, Pennsylvania.
It says thunderstorm so fast. What the fuck?
The current time is 3:46 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Here is the regional weather forecast. For the Philadelphia metropolitan area, severe thunderstorm watch 420 is effective until 9 p.m. this evening. Tonight,
Oh, he went
mostly
back.
cloudy.
On page 38, what the hell?
I told you.
It went back.
It's here from Bennington for Sullivan, New York.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 5:30 p.m.
Didn't this just
At
weaken?
4:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Oxford, Oregon, 12 miles northwest of
Yeah,
Newark,
it should just
moving east at
weaken.
15 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour with
It
gusts
tripped
and
on
quarter-size hail.
the radar just
Source:
weakened.
radar
Then it came
indicated.
back.
Impact: minor damage to vehicles is possible.
Bruh.
Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Oxford, West Grove, Mount Vernon, Campbellsville, Landenberg, North Star, Avondale,
Yeah,
and
it's the same
Tuscaloosa.
storm.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties:
Severe thunderstorm
Chester,
warning.
Pennsylvania.
I don't know why I say it that fast now.
Central National Weather Service forecast for the entire coastal waters of New Jersey. Severe thunderstorm watch 420 in. Advisory in effect until 10 p.m. this evening.
FFW. FFW.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 9:15 p.m. At 5:16 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicate
I just texted Coastal Weather. This is such a bust.
Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen.
And boom.
Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly.
There's been like 3 of these this year.
Flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated
Thunderstorms.
gauges.
Said it right that time.
Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Oxford, Mount Vernon, and Glen Roy. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The following is a flood statement.
Whatever.
Flood advisory has been replaced with a flash flood warning.
Yeah, no shit.
The threat of flooding continues and a flash flood warning is now in effect. Please refer to the bulletin for more information. The following is a severe thunderstorm watch announcement from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 420. Effective until 7 p.m. This watch includes the following counties. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northern Ocean County in southern New Jersey, southern Monmouth County in central New Jersey, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Cassville, Oregon, 14 miles northwest of Toms River, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Toms River, Long Branch, Asbury Park, Lakewood, Jackson, Howell, Tinton Falls, Monosquin, Point Pleasant Beach, Lakehurst, Farmingdale, Maniloking, Allenwood, Six Flags Theme Park, West Freehold, Cassville, Adelphia, Clarksburg, Vista Center, and El Barron. This includes the following highways: Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 12 and 34. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 88 and 106. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Monmouth and Ocean. The following is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service for the following counties in New Jersey: northwestern Burlington and western Monmouth. A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of northern Ocean, northeastern Burlington.
Such a bust. I'm cooking with it right now. Open the pot.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Newcastle County in northern Delaware, southwestern Salem County in southern New Jersey, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bear, or near Newark, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Pennsville, Newcastle, Salem, Alloway, Canton, Delaware City, St. George's, Stanton, Bear, Hancock's Bridge, Port Penn, Wilmington Manor, Hope Creek, Glasgow, and Brookside. This includes Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile markers 3 and 10. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following county: Newcastle, Delaware, and Salem, New Jersey.
All right.
Upper Delaware Bay until 7 p.m. At 5:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Peapatch Island, moving southeast at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots and large hail.
Yeah, it says
Source,
49
radar.
knots.
Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include Peapatch Island, Stony Point, and Reedy Point.
That's it. I.
Flash flood warning remains in effect until 9:15 p.m. this evening for southwestern Chester County. At 5:56 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain.
Okay. I was playing Football Fusion on Roblox, and my team was winning by a lot, but I don't care. This is more important to me. Not a bust anymore. Let's go. Well, for them it kind of is, but cool.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Monmouth County in central New Jersey until 6:45 p.m. At 6:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Collingwood Park, or 8 miles west of Asbury Park, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Long Branch, Asbury Park, Howell, Tinton Falls, Red Bank, Highlands, Farmingdale, East Freehold, Elbaron, Collingwood Park, Lincroft, Novesink, Eatontown, Freehold, West Long Branch, Ruston, Little Silver, Oceanport, Shrewsbury, and Interlaken. This includes Garden State Parkway between mile markers 101 and 111. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following county: Monmouth, New Jersey.
Bow.
Here is the regional weather forecast. For the Philadelphia metropolitan area, severe thunderstorm watch 420 in effect until 9 p.m. this evening. Tonight, mostly cloudy. Showers likely with scattered thunderstorms.
Gotta fix my damn bed sheets. There we go. I moved this over here because it was getting crappy signal over there.
And
But,
40%.
it's just way better there. Like, watch.
Mostly cloudy.
That's right. That's where it would be. And I put it over here.
Friday, mostly
Boom.
cloudy in the morning.
Nearly perfect. Rest of them, I don't really care, but
Highs in the upper 70s.
you're gonna fade out again. I just know, so I'm gonna turn you back off. You're probably fine.
Lows around 60.
You're good. Yeah. Basically my point right there. But I hope there's more warnings, because this is pretty much just like the first part of it, so I'm really out of this right now. I don't feel like doing this right now. I don't feel like catching alerts right now, but whatever. I'm still doing it because it's startling me, so I might as well.
At 6:26 p.m.
I was spending time with my family, thank you very much.
Moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail at 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles.
Let's take me and my dog outside.
Roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible.
Let's just go right.
Locations impacted include Long Branch,
Jesus
Tinton
Christ.
Falls, Red Bank, Elbaron, Lincroft, Eatontown, West Long Branch, Rumson, Little Silver, Oceanport, Shrewsbury, Interlaken, Deal, Allenhurst, Wayne the Mountain.
deal.
and Oakhurst. This includes Garden State Parkway between mile markers 103 and 109. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following county: Monmouth, New Jersey. At 6 p.m. at the Philadelphia International Airport, light rain was falling. The temperature was 86 degrees, the dew point 75 degrees, and the relative humidity 69%, producing a
Now jump scared.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for Upper Delaware Bay until 8 p.m. At 6:52 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Peapatch Island to 7 nautical miles east of Northeast River, moving southeast at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Woodland Beach, Stony Point, Sea Breeze, Ship John Shoalite, Peapatch Island, and Reedy Point. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Chesapeake Bay north of Fools Island.
Wow, no one really went off.
20 in effect until 9 p.m. this evening.
Like, you didn't go off.
Southwest winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming west late.
It's weird. You went off. Everyone up but you. What the fuck? A couple hours later.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. Patapsco River, including Baltimore Harbor, until 9:45 p.m. At 8:10 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 nautical miles northeast of Northeast River to 20 nautical miles west of Fort Smallwood State Park, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Fort Smallwood State Park, Turkey Point, North Point State Park, Hart Miller Island, Gunpowder River, Northeast River, Pools Island, Spasooty Island, and Aberdeen Proving Ground. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Here is the regional weather forecast. For the Philadelphia metropolitan area, severe thunderstorm watch 420 in effect until 9 p.m. this evening. Tonight, mostly cloudy.
Surprised it took as long as it did from the issue summon. It's literally dark outside now. Last time you were in here, it was light out, and it was like an hour and a half ago.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Atlantic County in southern New Jersey, Southeastern Cumberland County in southern New Jersey, Cape May County in southern New Jersey, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 17 miles southeast of Longport, Oregon, 18 miles southeast of Ocean City, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, automated surface observing system. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Millville, Ocean City, Cumberland, Summers Point, Laurel Lake, Woodbine, Seal City, Estill Manor,
Yes, yeah.
Avalon, Corbin City, Leesburg, Beasley's Point, Cedar, Dennisville, Bricksboro, Strathmere, Eldora, Morristown, Belle Plaine, Forest, and Port Norris. This includes Garden State Parkway between mile markers 12 and 28. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Atlantic, Cape May, and Cumberland.
They said or as Oregon.
Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for the entire coastal waters of New Jersey.
I'm gonna replay that and also take this stuff.
20 in effect until 9 p.m. this evening. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 9:30 p.m. for South Central Atlantic, Southeastern Cumberland, and Cape May counties.
Did you just...
At 8:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Longtown, or 7 miles south of Millville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles
They
per
fixed
hour
it.
with gusts. Source,
Good.
automated surface observing system.
Well, they didn't fix that.
Impact,
Damn.
damage
Alright.
to roofs, siding, trees.
No, that's the actual thing too. That's fun. Okay.
The National Weather Service in Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point and Maryland.
You definitely went off right.
Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North
You went off
Maryland,
right.
Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland, Patapsco River, including Baltimore Harbor, until 11 p.m. At 9:36 p.m.,
That's
strong
a feat.
thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located over Gibson Island, moving east at 15 knots.
I mean, these are gonna issue. Oh,
Wind
God,
gusts
right.
34 knots or greater in waterspouts possible. Source, radar indicated.
Oh, that.
Motors and small
Yeah,
craft
no,
can be thrown
okay.
overboard by suddenly higher winds and
There's a
waves
tour for
capsizing their
Cecil?
vessels. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats.
I didn't know that.
Locally hazardous seas. Locations impacted.
I would have
include
caught it then.
Rivers,
Damn.
River, Chester
They
River,
canceled it.
Gibson
And...
Island,
Damn,
Boston
okay, I
Point,
didn't even know that.
Point, Love Point,
I didn't have it on. How am I supposed to freaking
Sandy
know?
Point State Park, Baltimore Light, Severn River, Chesapeake Bay Bridge, 7-foot Mill, and Annapolis. Move to safe harbor immediately as
Annapolis.
gusty winds and high waves are expected.
Minneapolis. Ew. Ow.
Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for the entire coastal waters of New Jersey. Small craft advisory in effect until 10 p.m. this evening. Overnight, southwest wind.
There are literally non-stop fireworks now, and I can't fucking sleep. If you hear those, that's an A+ hearing. Tell me in the comments if you can hear that shit, because that is loud for me, but you probably can't even hear it on here, so I'll hear it quiet again. I don't know if you can hear that, but you probably can't. But yeah, it's freaking annoying. It's keeping me up, and they've been going since, what is it now, 9:39? They've been going since fucking 8:30. 10 p.m. Can't catch a break.
Flood warning in effect until tomorrow morning.
Oh, what the?
What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Christina River at Coots Bridge.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay.
When? Until tomorrow morning. Impacts at 9.0 feet. Flooding begins in fields
Damn,
and
a
floodplains
flood
adjacent
warning
to the
there?
river. At 11.0 feet, flooding begins in the town of Christiana. East Main Street, Del 7 begins to flood, as does Water Street.
Alright, well,
Meadow Road near Newcastle Airport is subject to flooding.
I didn't think they would do that.
Barksdale Road near Cashier Mill Road is also subject to flooding, as are residential backyards. At 11.5 feet, portions of Durris Heights near Newcastle
Only
Airport
a marginal
begin to
flash
including
flood
Down
risk,
Avenue.
but
Airport Road at the Newcastle
Yeah,
Airport
right.
begins to flood as the Christina River backs up the Nonsuch Creek. Walford Road in the Bear area also floods.
flood warning.
Flooding
Flood
also
warning.
occurs around Smalley's Pond Dam in Christiana.
Flood warning.
At 12.0 feet,
Flood
significant
warning.
flooding occurs on
Flood
Meadow
warning.
Road in Christiana.
Flood warning.
Roads are closed.
Flood.
Homes are flooded.
warning.
Salem Church
Flood
Road and Rainbow Road floods in Christiana also
Flood
flood
back.
and are subject to closures. Residential backyards
Flood
in flood
warning.
in this
Flood
area.
lock.
Flooding also occurs north on West Chestnut Hill Road and
How
South
long is
Commerce
it gonna
Avenue.
take to do this?
Additional details.
There we go.
At 9:16 p.m. Saturday, the stage was 10.3 feet.
So,
Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late this evening to a crest of 11.3 feet just after midnight tonight. It will
by the way, those fireworks finally stopped. Thank God.
Midnight tonight. Flood stage is 11.0 feet. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 11.3 feet on November 17, 2002.
No one cares.
http://www.weather.gov/safety/
Shut up.
The following is a flood statement. Flood advisory now in effect until midnight tonight.
Yeah.
Flooding caused by excessive rain.
Yeah, they did that too for Newcastle County. I didn't think it would issue a flood warning. It's only a marginal flood risk. And, I mean, they're strong. I mean, they're good enough to, dump that much rain. But, I didn't think they would do that. So, I thought it was gonna be like a rain warning or something, but no, they kind of expired that, but whatever. Hopefully that's it, because I don't want to catch any more alerts tonight, to be honest.